Good day, everyone. Especially to you, sir. We laboratory. We made a games laboratory for mini military game in new and mode game using Unity. So, activity instruction mini military game menu and mode game using Unity. Create a functional game menu and mode gamer for mini military inspired game using Unity. So, scene one game menu. Uh, Design a game menu with the following 5 buttons. So first, play, customize, settings, about, and quit. And the Synto mode of game is display two game mode like training and survival. And both training and survival buttons should be clickable, but training should be a default selection. And above the mode selection and the back buttons, and navigate the game in using below the mode selection and the battle buttons. The player must first select mode before click the button to proceed. If the training mode is selected and battle is clicked, it should navigate to a new scene. And the next is additional features. Add background music and click sound effect on every button. So let's start now. Here are the Minimedia game. So here are the text, background, and then here are the 5 buttons. So first play, customize, settings, about, and quit. So here are the scene 2, here are cleaning, survival, battle. So first click the cleaning, scene 2, cleaning, go back, survival, battle, survival. Go back to the menu. Here are the